shop trying to find a steam iron. So I just finished buying some. I bought a canary bird and as well as feeds for the bird and some live plants because my aquarium, I think most of the fishes there ate it all up, so I have to put a new fresh plants. So today, even though it's locked down here, you're allowed to go out for one person, but my iron board, like my steam iron, already gave up because every time I switch it on, it's switch it off the whole that line supply, so it's like short circuit already, so I have to upgrade it. Unbox my upgraded steam iron. I tried the collet, but still giving a short circuit in the house. Plus steam iron, when you are in a hurry to iron your clothes in the morning or going at work, or especially, it's easy to iron the steam iron. Plus at the same time, it desanitizes. So this is the Tefal IXEO all-in-one solution, and yeah, we're gonna open it. Let's see what's inside. I had previous one. It's a Tefal brand as well, but because we've been using it for a long time, and I think giveaway already. Says, did you know your extra power kills up to 99.9% bacteria and removes others? This is the, see what is inside. So this one is the board. It says box number 2 is the board. Board. That's the ironing board. Okay. That's the board. That's the one. Number 3 is the power. The power. Oh, sorry. Number 3. Power. So the manual, and this is the power. Okay, let's get the styrofoam out. I like this one because it's portable, so if you don't want the base, you can just, whoops, like carry it by itself. So that's the board, the iron. Let's get rid of that styro thing. And a clip. Oh, I can use it above. What's this one? It's the manual. Looks good, light, so you can carry it anytime. All the codes. This is like for the water. So, yeah, water to fill in. You just open here. And I think this one is like the for the decal, so automatically it will decay. That's it. Let's open the rest. Box number 1. Let's get rid of this one, so it's empty now. Let's open this. Alright, the manual for the base, like how to set it up. All the guidelines there. Hey, how to connect it. Number 1, number 2, and yeah. Alright, what's inside the box? This one, like an option, probably to put here. That one. And this is where you place that. And this one, I think you're gonna have all of this one here to connect it like this. We'll see. We'll just unbox everything. And probably this one is for the iron holder. And yeah, one of the connectors. Hey, this is the base, a little bit heavy. Wow. My big got heavy. So that's how it looks like. And you connect here. Okay, let's assemble it. This is the base. Okay. Alright, how to set it up. Okay, let's see what the manual said. The first one, have to connect all these 2 brackets. It's 2. And here, just follow what it looks like. In here, that's it. Let's see if it's user friendly to follow how to set it up. You can see the hole in here. There's a marking where you can follow the sign up in here. You open it, this one, and you connect this one, and lock. Oops. Why you're not locking? That's it, lock. So undo this, both sides, and lift it up. Lift it up. As per the user manual, so undo this and I clip, and next one is that's done. That's the back, like the setup one, and here. So how to set it up. There's a connector here, and then you just clip it together. That's it. And this one, there's a latch here. This one will catch here. And that one. This one too. In here. So you have to stretch here so it can fit both sides. Yep. See that one then? that will hold it in place, you know. That's the one. So it can be flattened. This one. There's not much on the side, so I have to adjust a little bit here. And then put that one here. There. I'm almost done. Just to balance all the sides. Sit. Look at top. Then. That's it. Lock it. Stand the roll. Lock it. This one go, and this one will go here. That's it. Dang, 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 dang. You can lock it if you want it that. Okay. Alright, let's put this one on. Let's see. That's it. That's why this one is not properly like in the same height. That's why it didn't fit. And it's gonna be a bit. Change the height. I'll lower it down. And lock. And lock. This one, I think will go on here. Okay, I'll show you. This one will go here. You just follow the pattern. Because I set it like in a slow steam. I'm ironing the other back. Yeah, it looks so good. It's the one. It's done. Right, I want to try this berry look. Like you see, it's a look. We'll give it a try to iron this one, but I want to put it in a hanger, so I don't need to hold it. Just hang it there, and we'll try to iron it. So let's see. Wow, cool. Look. Normally when I iron it in a normal iron board, it took me a while to get that look like. Can you see? Look, then let's get this one. What was it before? Look at the back. At the same time it ironed. I like it. It's quicker. And that's it. So give it a try already. like and subscribe and click all the bells for more info and for more